Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another Peasants Kitchen, I think I called it. And today we are making a simple, easy burrito vegan bowl. As we can see, this is good for lunch, this is good for meal prep, good for dinner, good for everything. Like, it's just delicious, would recommend. So first of all, we're going to get our stuff from the supermarkets. We're going to grab our tofu. The tofu is the one thing you want to prep up first because of how wet it is. So you just want to take it out of the packet. Use firm tofu for this. I want the really firm tofu. Take it out of the packet. You want to make sure all the moisture's out of it and just wrap it up into some paper towel just to make sure there's no liquid left in the tofu. And then you just want to leave it there for a good bit to soak it all up. Then we're going to get our onion. We want to peel the onion. I grabbed two onions because, I mean, it's Mexican. Mexicans, you need to have a lot of onion, okay? A lot of onion and a lot of garlic. So we're going to grab our onions, we're going to peel them, we're going to cut them long ways, we're going to take everything off, and then we are going to start dicing them up nice and finely. Cut those like stringy end bits off, if I remember. There we go. And then we're going to just lightly dice them up like here, making sure that you dice towards the edge of the, what's it called, like the end of it, or where the roots normally spout, and they'll stop you from crying, guys. If you don't want to cry, just do it this way. Also very easy to get lightly small diced onions if you don't like the texture or consistency of an onion. Very simple and easy like that. And with this method, you can go however thick or however small you want with the slices. Like, you can determine that, and it comes out all evenly. Like so. And I just kept chopping it up just to make sure they were evenly cut. Went out for a bit to cry, because you know what. And then we're going to get our garlic. We want so much garlic here. We want heaps of garlic. I think I ran out of garlic, but we want to finely dice that like so. And then in a pot, we're going to heat some oil up. If I can talk, that'd be great. We're going to heat some oil up. Once the oil is heated up, we are going to put in our garlic and our onion. Then we're going to salt that and make sure it all sweats out and becomes transparent. Now we have our dried tofu. Well, it's not fully dry, but most of the moisture is gone. We're going to cut it up nice and evenly. We want to cube these guys up because we're going to put them in the oven and we're going to let them bake until everything is all cooked for us. You guys can put the tofu in whenever, or you want to put it in early, and so it takes the amount of time to cook and crisp up while everything else is cooking. Right here I've got a peeled carrot, and all I'm doing is grating the carrot up, because what we're going to do is we are going to put this into our burrito, taco, Mexican bowl mix with the onion and with the garlic to cook up. This also adds more nutritional value to your food, and also you get more vegetables with it. And right here we've got the refried beans paste. I don't know if it's a paste or whatever, but we've got the refried beans. We're going to put that in, and we're going to make sure it's all stirred up and incorporated and warm. And then I've got my 3 Mexi beans that I'm going to cook up. I'm adding our burrito or taco mix, whatever you want to use, whatever you have on the shelf. During this COVID-19, the burrito one was the only thing that's left. And if it's too gluggy, you can always add whatever, like how much water you want, just to make it more liquidy. Here is some leftover rice I had from another meal, and I was heating that up. And then we're going to plate the bean mix onto there, so that's our protein. We're going to put some corn, because you can never go without corn if it's a burrito bowl. Burrito bowls always have corn, so we've got some corn there. And then we're adding our tofu. Our tofu browned up and crisped up nice and quickly while we cooked everything else, so that's great. You want to put that in while the other stuff is cooking, and also you want to like lightly oil it and lightly salt and pepper it while it's cooking in the oven. And then I'm just sprinkling some salt and pepper over it, and then some nutritional yeast to add more nutritional value. You can add whatever greens you want to this, guys. If you want more texture and more level and more flavor and more color, I added kale afterwards. But this gives you some good meals throughout the week, because it's a big load and it was absolutely delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and follow my social medias. and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!